Today I'm going to show you a great snack to boost your energy level. We're going to mix chia seed with coconut oil. Chia seed, also known as runner and warrior food, is full of nutrients, contains selenium, vitamin B complex, which play important role in keeping our body running. The bigger player when it comes to energy is vitamin B1 because it helps break down carbohydrate into glucose, which is the preferred source of energy in our body. Next, chia seed contains omega-3 fatty acid, which helps with athletic performance, recovery, and brain function. While coconut oil contains medium-chain fatty acid, which are a quick energy source. They are easier to digest, and since they are utilized quickly as energy, they are not stored in our body as fat.